Turned up to this one, old Baxi Solo 2. Customer said that they didn't have heating. They also said the boiler was making a big banging noise. When I got there, the heating was on and the boiler fired up. After about 4 to 5 minutes, it sounded like somebody'd put some pebbles in a washing machine. It was banging everywhere. So I head up to the airing cupboard and check out the pump. Use a flathead screwdriver to take the middle out. Colour of the water says it all. So just using a flathead screwdriver, I was able to stop that pump pretty easily. So that shows that we just need a new pump. Carry the Grundfos pumps as van stock. Gonna have a go see if these pump valves work. They seem to turn pretty easily, so fingers crossed. Once they're both shut, I take the middle out and see if there's any water there. That's normally a good indication. And then take your grips and undo the top one first. The reason I do the top first, because if it's isolated, there'll be less water at the top than at the bottom. If you crack the bottom one open first, you got it all to come out. Look at the state of the inside of that. It looks like it's been down with the Titanic. New rubber washers in. They come with the pump. Slide the new pump in. Start the unions off hand tight and then finish them off with some grips. I'm sure the gas police will comment and say you should use soft jaws, but these work just as well. When you're happy everything's tight, undo the pump unions again and then pray that they're actually opening. Sometimes you'll open them and you think they're opening, but they're not open. Once you've performed your safe isolation, obviously you can take the electrical components apart and then replace the wiring over. The new one comes with a plug, little instructions on the back in case you're not sure. Pretty straightforward really. Make sure you push the cables around that little screw hole because you don't want to screw through the cable. Once that's all wired up, plug it in, call for heating, red light means go, happy days.